Imagine standing inside a giant forest. Trees are everywhere around you, they stretch in every direction. Some are close, some are far away. Now imagine someone asks you a strange question. What does the entire forest look like from above? You would probably say, I have no idea, I'm inside it. But here's the incredible part. Right now, humanity is inside something far bigger than any forest. We live inside a galaxy. A massive cosmic city of stars called the Milky Way. It contains hundreds of billions of stars, vast clouds of gas, dark matter, and mysterious structures stretching across unimaginable distances. And here's the mystery that confuses many people. If we are trapped inside the Milky Way, how do we know what it looks like? After all, we have never left it, we have never taken a photograph of it from the outside. So how did scientists figure it out? The answer is one of the most fascinating detective stories in astronomy. And it starts with something simple, mapping the stars. For thousands of years, humans looked at the night sky and saw a glowing band of light stretching across the darkness. Ancient civilizations thought it was a river of light. Today, we know that glowing band is actually the dense center of our galaxy. But the real breakthrough came when astronomers began measuring the positions of stars. They carefully recorded where stars appeared in the sky, then they measured their distances. Little by little, they started building a three-dimensional map of our galactic neighborhood. And what they discovered was shocking. Stars were not spread evenly. They were concentrated in a flat disk shape. That was the first clue. Our galaxy wasn't a random cloud of stars. It was something structured, something organized. But mapping stars alone wasn't enough, because huge clouds of dust block our view across the galaxy. In many directions, we simply cannot see through the dust. So astronomers needed another way to see through the darkness. That's when they turned to something invisible, radio waves. Unlike visible light, radio waves can pass through thick clouds of cosmic dust. Using giant radio telescopes, scientists started detecting signals from hydrogen gas spread throughout the galaxy. Hydrogen is the most common element in space, and it emits a very specific radio signal. By measuring those signals across the sky, astronomers could trace where enormous clouds of gas were located. When they mapped those signals, something incredible appeared. The gas formed long curved structures, huge spiral arms stretching across the galaxy. This revealed that the Milky Way is not just a flat disk, it's actually a spiral galaxy. Similar to many other galaxies we observe across the universe, but scientists still had another puzzle. If these spiral arms exist, how fast are they moving? Stars in the galaxy are constantly orbiting the center. Just like planets orbit the sun, by measuring tiny shifts in the light from stars and gas clouds, astronomers could determine their speed and direction. This technique is called the Doppler effect. When something moves toward us, its light shifts slightly. When it moves away, the light shifts the other way. Using this method, scientists discovered that stars and gas follow huge circular paths around the center of the galaxy. By combining all this information, distances, gas clouds, star movements, astronomers slowly reconstructed the structure of our entire galaxy. And the picture that emerged was breathtaking. The Milky Way is a giant spiral galaxy about 100,000 light-years wide. With several major spiral arms, at its center lies a mysterious region packed with stars. And hidden there is something even more extreme. A supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius Asterisk. This monster contains the mass of about 4 million suns, yet even this black hole is just one tiny part of the vast structure surrounding us. But scientists didn't stop there, they also looked outward. Across the universe, we observe billions of other galaxies. Many of them are spiral galaxies that look remarkably similar. By comparing their shapes with the patterns we mapped inside our galaxy, astronomers confirmed that the Milky Way follows the same structure, a rotating spiral system of stars, gas, and dark matter. So even though we are trapped inside our galaxy, we can still understand its shape, piece by piece, clue by clue, like cosmic detectives. But here's the most mind-blowing part. Our entire solar system is just a tiny speck inside this enormous structure. We orbit the center of the Milky Way once every 230 million years. which means the last time Earth was in this exact position in the galaxy, dinosaurs had not even appeared yet. And by the time we complete another orbit, human civilization as we know it may be completely different. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this: that faint glowing band of stars stretching across the darkness is not just a pretty sight, it's the inside view of our cosmic home. A galaxy so vast that even though we live inside it, humanity still found a way to discover its shape, and that raises an even bigger question. If we can map an entire galaxy from the inside, what else might we discover about the universe next?